welcome to the online classes of SRS Heritage School. And for the 9th state grade, we are taking the topic surface areas and volumes. In the previous session, we learned the surface area of cylinder, cone, sphere, and the volume of a cylinder. In this session, let us learn what is the volume of a right circular cone. Let us take one cylinder with specific height h. This is height and this is r. Again, take the and this is height. Same height and same radius. Equal radius and equal height of take both cylinder and cone. If I pour the water from this cone to this cylinder, it will take 3 times of the cone to fill the whole cylinder. That means the volume of cylinder is thrice the volume of cone. So, what is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. But the relation between the volume of the cone and cylinder of same height and same radius is that the cone is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. That means, therefore, volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square cubic units. So, if I pour the water from a cone 3 times to the cylinder, then the cylinder will fill. The water will be filled completely in the cylinder when 3 times of the water from the cone to fill the cylinder. That means the relation between the cylinder and the cone is the volume of the cylinder is thrice the volume of cone, or the volume of the cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder of same height and same radius. So that is volume of cylinder is pi r square h, whereas the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square cubic units. Okay, let us solve some problems related to the volume of cone. Find the volume of cone with the radius 6 cm and the height becomes 7 cm. So, what are the given? R is equal to 6 cm, height is nothing but h is equal to 7 cm. We have to find the volume of a cone. So, volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3. What is pi? If it is not mentioned, you can take pi as 22/7. So r is 6 square into height is 7. 7 get cancelled. So 1/3 into 22 into 6 square can be written as 6 into 6. 6 2s are. So 22 6 2s are 44 into 6. So 264 centimeter cube. This is the volume of a cone with radius of 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. That is 1/3 pi r square h. Substitute the values of pi, r and h. Pi is 22/7, r is 6 and h is 7. 7 get cancelled. 6 square can be written as 6 into 6. 3 2s are. Again 22 into 2, you will get 44. 44 into 6, it will be 264 centimeter cube. This is how we have to calculate the volume of a right circular cone with height 7 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter. Let us take another problem. This is another problem. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in kiloliters? So here they didn't mention whether it is area or volume, but the word capacity means that we have to find out the volume of the pit. Pit is nothing but a, it is in a type of conical shape, a pit with top diameter. This is 3.5 meter and the height will be, this is 12 meter. So R is equal to 3.5 by 2 because it is diameter, and H is also given 12 meter. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, what is R? R is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into 12. So 7.5, 3 4s are 2, 2s are 2 to get cancelled. So 22 into 3.5. 77 meter cube. So what is the relationship between the meter cube and the liters? So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. This is the relation. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1 liter. We can write, because 1000 can be converted. So what is the relationship between meter and, this is 100 into 100 into 100 becomes, see, 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. This is 100 into 10 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. 100 cent, we can convert it. See, 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, whereas we can write 1 meter cube is equal to 1 liter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1 liter. So 77 meter cube can be written as the volume is equal to 77 liters. So you should divide it by 1000, that is 0.077 kiloliters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. This is how we can convert. So into 0.5, we left out that 0.5, that becomes 38.5 meter cube. So that is, therefore volume is equal to 38.5 kiloliters, because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters is nothing but 1 kiloliter. So meter cube, 38.5 meter cube is equal to 38.5 kiloliters. So you should remember 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, but 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, that is equal to 1 kiloliter. You can write that as a 1 kiloliter. So here this is 38.5 meter cube, so it can be written as 38.5 kiloliters. Okay. So 22 into 3.5 into 0.5, you will get 38.5. 38.5 meter cube is 38.5 kiloliters. Let us take another problem also related to the same surface volume of a right circular cone. See, the volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find length of the cone. So length is nothing but height h, slant height, that is L, and CSA. CSA is, what is the CSA, curved surface area of a cone? That is pi r L. We have to find out these three. We know that volume is given, so V is equal to 9856, and what is given? So V is equal to 9856 is given, and base diameter, that is D, is equal to 28 centimeter. So what is R? R is 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter. So what is the volume What is the volume of a cone? Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 9856. So substitute 1 by 3, 22 by 7. What is r? R is 14. Let us take this as 14 into 14 into what is h? H we have to find out. H we have to find out, that is equal to 9856. So what is h? H is equal to 9856 into 3 into 7 divided by 22 into 14 into 14. See, 22, 14, 14. 22, 14, 14 becomes denominator 9856 into 3 into 7. Okay, now 7 ones are 7 twos are. Okay. Next, is it 14? 14 sevens are 98. 0, 14, 14 fours are. Okay. Now that is 352 into 3 by 22. 11 twos are, 11 threes are, 11 twos are, 2 16s are. So 16 threes are 48 centimeter. This is the height of the cylinder, height of the cone, not cylinder. It is the height of the cone. Now, how can you find out the slant height? I will rub this. See here, this is right circular cone, this is height, this is r, and this is L. So L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. What is h? H is 48 plus 14 square. What is 48? 48 square. 2304 plus 196. 2500, that is 50 centimeter cube. This is L. L is 50 centimeter. Now we have to find out the CSA. CSA of cone is equal to pi r L. So 22 by 7 into r is 14 into 50. 7 2s are 22 into 100, that is equal to 2200 centimeter square. You should write the unit of whether it is area, you should maintain square. You should write the centimeter square r, meter square r, whatever it may be, but you have to mention the unit. For volume, you have to mention the cube, meter cube or centimeter cube, like that. I hope you understand the problem solved for the volume of right circular cone. Take the HF for this session. The HF for this session is exercise 13.7, problem number 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. I hope I done the problems 1, 5 and 6. Do the remaining problems 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. If you found difficulty, just contact us. We will give the solutions for the given problems. Thank you one and all.